430 into approximately 2,000.
What's taking this guy so long? Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better. Whoa! Who was that?
Why, hello, ladies. You ready to lose?
Last one to the water tower. Buys a round of fuel.
Tell you what, I'll give you guys a head start. You're gonna need it.
Later, loser.
1,000. 2 1,000. Ah, that's enough.
Pay attention. You're daydreaming again.
Me? No. Okay, yes. But, come on, Leadbottom. Really? How hard is this? Fly straight, turn around, fly straight, turn around.
Are you disrespecting the sweet science of aerial application?
Look, I am more than just...
Go flap John about that flings around the planet air racing nonsense again.
Excuse me, it's called the Wings Around the Globe Rally.
For the love of Peter
And
Bill.
it's not nonsense. I've got a tight turn radius and a high power-to-weight ratio.
Oh, yeah? You know what else you got?
What?
A screw loose. I mean, why would you want to give up crop dusting? Blue skies, no air traffic, and that tangy scent of Vita Mini Mulch. Just like Mama used to spray.
They say the sense of smell is the first thing to go. Oh, quitting time.
Want to be a racer. You ask me, more racers want to be crop dusters. I got some Mini Mulch, yeah.